Besties, I heard you are looking for the best skin tint in the market. I got you. This one have SPF 30, which is amazing if you are into skincare. I want to film this in natural light so you guys can see and make decision if you want to buy it or not, because I want to give you the best review in the market. Okay, so I was looking into getting a skin tint, something that is not heavy. I just want something light because I'm not into doing too much. Okay, I like my makeup simple and easy. I got it in number 9 Hazelnut Butter. I haven't tried it yet, but we're gonna try it together on the camera together. Okay, so you will definitely see my first impression. So this is what it look like. It looks so cute. Like I said, you have all the information about SPF 30. It's tiny. Let me zoom the camera in so you guys can see. So I'm going to apply this on my hand. I'm gonna use this Real Technique brush. This is my trusted brush. This is what we're going to use. I'm just gonna use it on this side of my face. We'll work with it. I feel like it's a bit, I don't know. Anyways, we'll see. We're not gonna judge it yet. It's definitely light. That's fine. It does have a scent. It's not stinky, like it doesn't smell bad. This is the coverage. It does cover a lot, I'm not gonna lie. And you will definitely be glowing. I'm doing this side now. I'm gonna have to add a bit more on this side. I definitely like the way it looks. I do like it. I don't like too matte of foundation. I like to look glowy. You know, like I got money, but I really don't. I got money, you know, but this one you can definitely settle it down with the powder. So that, yeah, that will work. So yeah, I'm gonna, it's not a full coverage, but it does cover it does do wonder when it comes to covering, but obviously it's not full coverage, so just be mindful of that. I like the way it's gliding on my skin. It's easy to apply. It's not sticky. It's not weird. I think it do, and it does a pretty good job. Like, I like it. The smell is nothing that will get to me. Like, honestly, I can get over the smell. It does smell nice, like I said. So, but it's really good. It's really nice and really glowy. If you want to look glowy in a budget, definitely this is the way to go. I think I got this for £13, so it's affordable. You can definitely work with it. What do you guys think? Do you guys like it? I don't mind it, honestly. I like it. Let me zoom in a bit more so you guys can see my skin. See that? I'm glowing. I like it if you want to look good on a budget, and this is something that you can definitely afford. 9 out of 10 because of the scent, so it's 10 out of 10. It's really good. I'm not gonna lie about it for the price, and it doesn't feel like I'm wearing something. It is so light. It feels like my skin. Does that make sense? Definitely feel like my skin. I look good. I feel good. Let me know what you think in the comment section. If you have tried this before, if you like it, what do you think about this product? Is it worth it? Is it not worth it? For me, I think it's worth it. You should grab it for yourself if you want to. If you like it, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and introduce yourself in the comment section. Let's all be friends and be part of this family. We always have a good time on this channel. I promise. Once you subscribe and you say, you're not gonna regret it. So yeah, let's become besties.